We're known for outstanding audio quality. And with DTS-X, you'll hear just that. With its lossless encoding, you can hear every note and nuance exactly as it's meant to be heard. We feel you deserve an audio experience that's in tune with your entertainment needs. DTS-X is backwards compatible, so you can take your old movies to new heights. Enjoy your favorite moments with the most immersive sound available. Your hearing is unique, as is your taste. With DTS-X, you can personalize your listening experience in real time. So that hard-to-hear line in a movie can be improved with the touch of a button. What if we could create the most lifelike audio ever, placing and moving sound where you'd hear it in the real world? So that we could immerse you deeper into the experience and let you feel more. With DTS-X, sound gets real. Enjoy audio in your home, your way. We've made sound move so your speakers don't have to. With our new spatial remapping engine, DTS-X supports flexible speaker layouts. So you're free to arrange your home theater in any way, in any space. Experience DTS-X. Sound unbound.